Starting to earn money online can be an exciting venture, but it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations and dedication. Here are some legitimate ways to begin your online earning journey. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Common freelance opportunities include writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and virtual assistants. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys or market research studies on platforms like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. While it won't make you rich, it can be an easy way to earn some extra cash. Content creation. If you have a passion for creating content, consider starting a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. With consistent effort and valuable content, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Selling products. Launch an online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy to sell physical products or digital downloads. You can sell items you create or find suppliers to dropship products. Online tutoring and teaching. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services on websites like VIPKid, Teachable, or Udemy. Remote work. Look for remote job opportunities on job boards like remote.co, FlexJobs, or We Work Remotely. Many companies hire remote workers for various roles. Stock photography. If you enjoy photography, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Virtual events and webinars. Host virtual workshops, webinars, or events on topics you are knowledgeable about and charge participants for access. App and website testing. Sign up for platforms that pay you to test and provide feedback on apps and websites, like user testing or testbirds. Remember that earning money online requires effort, patience, and consistency. Be cautious of scams and pyramid schemes promising quick riches without any work. Always do your research and focus on building a sustainable online income stream over time.